Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JanscrazyLife. So I have Project Share. I made 4 flip books for friend mail, and I just wanted to share them with you. So I took the strings out because I'm going to open this up and show you. So here's what the front has, and it's got all throughout it really pretty words and sayings. But there's flowers on the front, and then it flips down, and there is this pretty, let me zoom out, butterfly and flower and the words, and then it flips down again, and then it has this, which is a flip out all the way over, and then it also flips this way, and then it's got this beautiful butterfly and this flower, and then it's got these really pretty tags back here. And then I'm gonna just put my tie closure, and I just use like my scissors to stick it. I made holes, and then I just use my something sharp to kind of get it going rather through. And happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone is doing good this week. Alright, we got it through, and it's so cute with the peach. This is really pretty yarn that has like sequins in it, and I got this at Tuesday morning a while back. But I am just sticking this through the hole again. And if you guys have any questions on how to do any of this, just put it in the comment section below. Alright, so then there's that one. So then I made this one, which is adorable. It's just kind of different colors. I used a 6x6, and then I'm going to kind of open it up and show you how it works, or how it looks rather, on the inside, because this one's got side pockets and it's a little different. So it looks like this, and it says keep your face toward the sunshine and the shadows fall behind. And then when you open it up, it's got this spot, that spot. It's got pockets up here with tags, this, and then over here I made these little tags on both sides so I could still do the closure. And then it's got this, and then the back. That's the back. And so then there's that one, and then I need 2 mermaid ones, and one of them is peach and one of them is blue. And I used a lot of the Little Mermaid, and then I've had this for a minute. I got it from Tuesday morning. It's this colorful yarn string, and so let me just unravel it, and both of them are exactly the same, except one is peach and one of them is blue, the paper. And let me untie this and show you. And look, it has a Little Mermaid and her dad and this flower, and then it goes down like that, and oh, look how cute, right? And it says the sea once it casts a spell, one in the net, wonderful. It says one in the net, the wonders forever. And it goes, always be yourself. Unless you can be a mermaid, then be a mermaid. And it says you are mermazing. And then it says be like a mermaid and make some waves. And this says hippie heart, gypsy soul, mermaid spirit. And there are 2 really pretty tags that I made to go in this pocket up here. And it says write your secrets in the sand and trust them with a mermaid. And down here it says I look like a mermaid but I eat like a shark. I thought that was cute. And then there is a beautiful tag that goes on the side, And then it flips down again, and it says dive deep for the treasure that you share. And then it says mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. And then the back looks like this. So cute. So the other one is exactly the same, except it has these like pearls on the front, and then it's peach. So in the inside, it is made the same, except that it has peach paper, but it has the same sayings and the same cutouts. So this is how this one looks. Open it. And there is tags as well in both pockets, and there you go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this project. Share, subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Just keep on doing what you do, 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 do what you like, do what you